Om Dhanvantari Namaha. Hello everyone, this is Yogita and I welcome you all to the 10th episode of Ayurveda for everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the dual prakriti. Now dual prakriti means the combination of two doshas. So there are three types of dual prakriti in Ayurveda, that is Vata Pitta, Pitta Kapha and Kapha Vata. So when we are understanding the dual prakriti of an individual, we need to understand the doshas that are present. So like I spoke about Vata, Pitta and Kapha in my previous videos, a person who has a combination of Vata, Pitta, Prakriti. So when we talk about Vata, a person who has a Vata Prakriti, we know that they are very thin, they're bony, their structure is very lean, and a Pitta person has a muscular and an athletic build. So when you combine Vata and Pitta together, so we need to understand these characteristics and then we combine. So like a person who has Vata, Pitta, Prakriti will have a medium build. They will be not very thin, not very fat, not very tall, not very short. तो they उनका body structure normal रहेगा. So and if you talk about the hair, so a Vata person usually suffers from dry hair, frizzy hair, and it breaks very easily. And a Pitta person has good hair, long and thin hair, straight hair usually. So when we combine, so a person with Vata Prakriti and Vata Pitta Prakriti might have wavy hair but strong hair, because you take the good qualities of both the Prakritis. So when we talk about mentally now, so when a Vata individual is stressed, they usually respond with fear, anxiety, and they worry a lot. Now, Pitta Prakriti, when they are stressed, they respond with anger, irritation. So when you combine these two, so a Vata Pitta Prakriti person will suffer with all of these kind of issues when they are under stress, emotionally and mentally. Now let's talk about the digestion. So now a Vata person's digestion is Vishma Agni, which is a slow and a irregular digestion. कभी उनको constipation हो जाती है, कभी diarrhea हो जाता है. So it's very irregular. But a Pitta person has Tishna Agni, which is a sharp Agni. They digest very fast. So again, when you combine, so Vata Pitta Prakriti will have a good digestion, a regular digestion. So but they go off balance very soon because two prakritis are present. So sometimes when you're trying to tame the pitta in you, vata might go up. So if you're trying to get the vata down, pitta might go up. So you need to understand and be very careful when you're talking about balancing these prakritis. A balanced vata pitta individual will take the good qualities of both these doshas. Like a Vata individual is a very imaginative, creative, artistic individual, and a Pitta person is a very passionate, ambitious kind of a person. So you combine these two quality, you will have a successful Vata Pitta Prakriti individual. So that's all for today, and I hope this video was useful and you have learned something new today. And I will be back with a next episode. Till then, take care and see you soon. Hari Om Tat Sat.